If you use the word very in almost every sentence, you're not alone. Millions of learners do the same. But here's the surprising truth. Native speakers rarely use very, and the moment you stop relying on it, your English instantly sounds sharper, smarter, and more fluent. Welcome back to Mr. Fluent channel. I'm Paul, and today I'm giving you 20 powerful alternatives to very that will make your English sound 10 times more natural. Before we begin, hit that like button and subscribe because this one lesson alone has the power to upgrade your vocabulary forever. Let me tell you a quick story. Years ago, when I was learning English, I tried to impress a teacher during a class presentation. I proudly said, "My presentation was very good. I'm very happy with it. I worked very hard." She smiled in a way that felt polite but painful and said, "Paul, your ideas are strong, but your vocabulary is weak." That comment hit me hard. Then she shared a simple trick. Stop using very. Replace it, strengthen it, upgrade it. That single piece of advice transformed my English forever. And today I'm passing that same secret on to you. If you think this is just another vocabulary lesson, wait until you hear alternative number 7. It surprises everyone. But first, let's build the basics. Instead of saying very good, say excellent or amazing. Instead of very bad, try terrible or awful. Swap very big for huge or massive, and use tiny or mini instead of very small. When you feel very hungry, you're actually starving. And when you feel very tired, you're exhausted. These aren't advanced words, they're natural words, and they're the ones native speakers use every single day. I remember speaking with a group of native English speakers once. I said, "I'm very tired," and every single one of them replied with, "I'm exhausted." That moment changed everything for me. It wasn't that their English was more difficult, it was simply sharper. And the next group of words I'm about to teach you will make you sound exactly like them. Now, let's elevate your vocabulary even further. Very easy becomes effortless. And yes, that's number 7, the one that surprises everyone because it sounds elegant, yet totally natural. Replace very difficult with challenging or tough, and trade very clean for spotless. When something is very dirty, call it filthy. And when something is very fast, describe it as rapid or swift. A very slow computer becomes sluggish. A very happy moment becomes thrilled, and very sad becomes heartbroken. If someone is very funny, they're hilarious. And if the weather is very cold, it's freezing. When the temperature rises and it's very hot, it becomes boiling or scorching. These substitutions don't just replace words, they upgrade your entire tone. And don't go anywhere yet, because the last 3 alternatives are the ones native speakers use constantly, but learners almost never do. These final upgrades will lift your English instantly. When something is very important, say crucial or vital. When something is very interesting, describe it as fascinating. And when something is very stupid, the perfect word is ridiculous. These are the vocabulary choices that make speakers sound confident, capable, and fluent. Now imagine this. Tomorrow, you're speaking English at school, at work, or online. Someone casually asks, "How was your weekend?" And instead of the usual very good, you reply, "It was amazing. I watched a hilarious movie, and then I cleaned my room until it was spotless." That one sentence shows you sound clear, natural, and more native, without using very even once. Now it's your turn. Comment below using 3 alternatives from today's video in one short sentence. I'll heart the best ones and give feedback personally. And if you want more real-life English shortcuts just like this, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell because next week's lesson might become your favorite one yet. I'll see you in the next one. Stay fluent, stay confident.